In this video, you'll learn how to override and edit items from a master page directly on your document page in Adobe InDesign. This is really useful when you like the overall layout of your master, but you need to customize a specific page without changing every page that's based on that master. Let's get started by making sure you can actually see and work with your document pages and masters. First, open the Pages panel. If it's not already visible on your screen, go up to the top menu, choose Window, and then select Pages. The Pages panel is where you'll see all of your document pages, as well as the master pages that control repeated elements like headers, footers, page numbers, and background graphics. Once you have the Pages panel open, click on the specific document page where you want to edit a master page item. Double-click that page thumbnail in the Pages panel so that it becomes active in your main workspace. Now you're looking at the page exactly as it will appear in your layout, including anything that's coming from the master. You'll notice that certain elements on the page can't be selected the way normal objects can. These are items that live on the master page. By default, InDesign locks them on document pages to keep your overall layout consistent. To make a change on just one page, you need to override that master item on this specific page. Here's how to do that. On your document page, move your cursor over the object you want to change. This could be a header, a page number, a text frame, or any other element that's coming from the master. Now on Windows, hold down the Control and Shift keys together and then click directly on that item. On a Mac, hold down Command and Shift and then click the item. When you do this, you're telling InDesign that you want to release this one instance of the master object so you can work with it independently. You won't see a big flashing message, but you'll notice that the item can now be selected and edited just like any regular object on the page. That's how you know it's been successfully unlocked from the master. At this point, you can make whatever changes you need directly on the document page. You might adjust the text in a running header so it reflects a specific chapter, move a page number slightly to avoid overlapping an image, change the color of a background shape for a special section, or even delete the item altogether if you don't want it on this particular page. Keep in mind, any edits you make here affect only this single document page, not the master layout or any other pages based on that master. That's the power of overriding. You keep the consistency of master pages across most of your document while still having the flexibility to customize where needed. If you decide you no longer want that customized version, you can always delete it from the document page and then reapply the master or manually recreate the master element if necessary. So to recap the workflow you'll use, open the Pages panel, go to the document page you want to adjust, use Control plus Shift on Windows or Command plus Shift on Mac while clicking the master item, and then